Hi, I'm Jeff with BraunAbility, Area Sales Manager for the Mid-Atlantic region. I've been with Braun for 7 years now, and today it's my pleasure to show you the BraunAbility manual rear entry on this beautiful salsa red Toyota Sienna. Parking can be an issue for some of our customers. What's unique about the BraunAbility manual rear entry conversion is the fact that you can utilize any parking spot as you normally would. You simply would open up the rear cargo hatch and you have access to the rear of the vehicle. We can simply come over here to the grab handle, pull the lever to the side. Bending over has never seemed so easy with a spring-assisted ramp. Let's discuss the versatility of seating options on the BraunAbility rear entry. As you can see here, we have the factory remounted second row seats which can accommodate 3 passengers in the second row. Another unique feature with the BraunAbility manual rear entry conversion is the fact that you can get the second row seats in another option. You want to accommodate a wheelchair passenger in between the second row seats? Not a problem. You have the option to get an aftermarket seat which is a little slimmer, giving you roughly 25 inches of space in between the 2 seats to seat someone in a wheelchair comfortably in the second row. Another unique feature for the BraunAbility rear entry conversion is the option for a 2-passenger flip-down bench seat in the 3rd row position. Wheelchair securement system? Not a problem with the BraunAbility manual rear entry conversion. We have you covered. Every manual rear entry conversion comes standard with the Q-Strength QRT Max retractables. They slide and click into these slide and click pucks that are located here on the floor. Easy for use, slide it out of the way, lift up, and remove from the puck. You hear that? That's the BraunAbility Quiet Ride Hard at Work. Scientifically proven sound deadening material dispersed in well needed areas to isolate any unwanted road noise. Rest assured that all BraunAbility conversions come equipped with Quiet Ride. A couple key points I wanted to point out with the BraunAbility manual rear entry conversion is the extended ramp width. You've got 32 inches of usable ramp width to work here. That accommodates a lot of our bigger chairs. And not only that, but every ramp from BraunAbility is rated to 1,000 pounds. Nothing too big or too small for our ramps. When making your BraunAbility purchase, please ensure that you visit your local BraunAbility dealer, as they are the true professionals in assessing your physical needs and assisting with finding the right vehicle for you.